welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how the secretary turned out. As you can see a little bit over here, I still haven't done the little tweaking I might do with the decoupage, but I'm going to show you some ideas that I have for it. But first I want to show you one item here that's next to me that I got at Goodwill that I might be using on it. Now it's not going to probably have all this greenery in it, but I mean this is a big huge trunk chest thing. I don't know if you can see very well, but it is in very good shape, and I got it because of the chicken. So when I first looked at it, it says $9.99 on it, and then I'm like, okay, that's not bad. You know, it's got a lot of greenery, it's big, it's in nice condition, but you know what? It's a green tag, and green tags were 99 cents that day. So of course I snatched it up. You know, at first I walked by it 3 times before I picked it up, because all you could see was this and greenery, and it had some wreaths on top of it. And I was just kind of looking at the wreaths and I go, oh, I don't really like those. And I just thought this was just like some kind of little tin thing or something, a little planter. So I went back and I thought I'd dig around in there. I don't know if anybody else's Goodwill is like that, but mine, they just pile everything that's greenery and wreaths, and you have to pull everything out and dig through it. And when I did, I saw it was this, and I was like, oh, wow. You know, and then I looked at the price and I'm like, well, that's not that bad. But then I'm like, hey, wait a minute. Green tags are 99 cents, so let's grab it. Like I said, this might, of course, take the greenery out, go on the secretary here somewhere. Not sure, but I really do love this. So let's see a little bit of how the secretary was in the beginning and how it turned out. So I want to show everybody my plans for the secretary here before I get it painted. Now this over here is some beadboard that we cut to size. It is going to go on the back behind the shelves here. It's nothing fancy inside, just a thin piece of wood that's stained. So this will give more detail, and I'm going to paint the beadboard and antique it, and the rest of the inside is going to stay the same as the shelves are fixed in there. And I think that will look really nice, having the 2 sides being brown and the shelves being brown, but the back having the beadboard with the antiquing on it. Now, the other thing that I had done to it is I took off the top. Now, it was just screwed on, nothing was glued, and it can all be put back to the way it was. I had my husband cut the crown molding because I am not good at it, and I had him do it. And all we had to do was attach 3 pieces of wood to the top, nail it on, which can also come off real easily, so that, you know, if I wanted to down the road change it, I can take this off real easily and put the other piece back on that was on here. But I think that I like the way this looks. It looks much better in my room. The other top part was just way too fancy for all my furniture in here. And you can see this nice detail that I got in this crown molding. So this is all going to pop when I paint it the white and antique it. So now, back up here a little bit. As you can see, it does look totally different, and like I said, it blends in better with our entertainment center, because I don't have anything really fancy in this room. Everything is more squarish, except for our coffee table is round. But this is what it's going to be for now, and I am going to keep it on this wall right here where the beadboard is. It's going to go right there once it's done. So now I get the fun job of taking all the handles off, pulling the drawers out, got to degloss everything, and unfortunately all the little keyhole things, I'm not going to be able to get those off. Those are not screws. So I'm going to have to very carefully go around them with my little artist brushes that I have. And that will be a little time consuming. So that is the plan, and I will show you the next stage when I get that done. Okay, so here is the secretary all done. Yes, I finally got it done. Took quite a while. Now, as I showed you earlier, that I changed the top, I still have the pieces up there, but we added the crown molding, and I added the beadboard in the back. So let me grab the key there and get everything opened up so you can see the inside. Okay, so the inside I just kept natural. I did clean it and give it a good polish. Now here, I took off the back that was on here, and I put in the beadboard, and I did the white paint and the antiquing on that, and I kept the inside, the brown. And I went ahead, since I wanted to keep the inside brown, I didn't really have a line here to paint, so I have that contrast, as you see when you shut the door, with that top section and the bottom, which I like how it turned out. Oops. Direction to turn it. Okay. Now the only other thing I was thinking of doing is doing some kind of a decoupage on this part here. I'm not sure yet. I've ordered a few things and I'm gonna see what I like. The drawers, I thought about doing something like that on that, but it's kind of gonna be difficult since you can see you have this band here. So that would be a little too difficult to put something that would be cohesive. But I like the way it turned out. Back up here a little bit. I just put that lamp up there for now. I haven't started decorating it yet. You know, as I look at it, I need to do something with my fireplace mantle now. It's so blah compared to this. I've always wanted to put some nice trim around it and even maybe do it the antique-y with the white and the antique-y. Well, think about it. So now I get to decorate it. Okay, sorry for the lighting in here. It's a cloudy day and it's really dark in here, and I have as much lights on as possible. But I really want to show you more of the secretary over here. And these are some decoupage tissue paper that I got that I'm thinking about putting on just this part right here. I haven't figured out what I want to do yet, but I don't know if I'm going to cover the whole thing or just do some in the middle. But I have this one that I really like. And then there's a few that I like. This one I have to open up. And I do like this one. And I also thought with this one that I might just, since it's got little sections, I might cut them off and Mod Podge them on at different angles. I'm afraid to do anything just yet, and because it's going to be kind of permanent the minute I do it. So I might, I have 2 of each of these, so I might test it out on something else first. And then I have this one, and it has a little bit different stuff on here. And I kind of like this one with the roses and the wood look to it. I might do this one. I'm not sure yet. It's the same thing on the other side. But I think it would look kind of nice. I don't know. What do you think? Something, I mean, it would go across the whole thing if I did it that way. And then the other one I have is this. If I can open it up. It goes, hold on, gotta lick my fingers. Goes like that. This one's kind of pretty. So, like I said, I'm not sure what I want to do yet. Next stage on this, I'm going to get it decorated, and then I'll think about doing the decoupage because, like I said, it's going to be permanent once I do it, and I want to play with it before I do it, maybe on a wood tray, maybe first, I don't know. But I just want to show everybody the secretary before I get it decorated. I'm going to finish some tweaking in here, and I'll be doing a summer home tour here pretty soon once I get everything done. Still working on a few areas, and so I hope everybody liked the video, and if you did, I'd appreciate that big thumbs up from everybody, and I want to wish you a very wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.